Hey guys, so it's me, Seallena. I'm back and I'm making a cooking video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make peanut brittle. And the first things you'll need are a chef knife, unless you have pre-chopped peanuts, a cutting board to chop the peanuts if they're not pre-chopped, tin foil, and some measuring cups. Along with your cooking utensils, you're going to need the ingredients, which are basically butter, sugar, and peanuts. They can be salted or unsalted. It doesn't really matter. First off, we need to butter the foil. Buttering the foil will make sure that the caramel does not stick to it later when it dries. That should be good. Next, you're going to need a cup of dry roasted nuts. They're going to need to be chopped, so if you don't buy them chopped, you're going to have to chop them up yourselves. You may have to go over it 2 or 3 times if you're chopping them yourself. Now we have ourselves some chopped nuts. Next, you're going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter with the 1 cup of chopped peanuts. After you've roasted the peanuts with the butter, you're going to let them sit on a low heat to keep them warm. As you can see, we're starting to get some nice caramel. It's lumping and it's melting all at the same time. And so, you gotta keep stirring it. Otherwise your caramel will burn. Kinda like my peanuts. Kinda burnt those. So, yeah, don't do that. Don't leave it on for too long unattended. It'll burn bad. As this process goes on, you will slowly see it caramelize a bit more until we actually caramelize it. It's gotten to be more caramely than it was before, where it was just clumpy. It's still clumpy, but when you see it next, it will be completely caramel. So now when we look, we have a nice brown caramel. It's nice and drippy. There's a couple clumps left, but those aren't too major. Just squish them down a bit. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. And then you take it off the oven. And then you add your peanuts, and bada bing bada boom, you got peanut brittle. Alright, and I'm going to dump the nuts in. Then you gotta stir it all in. Nice. Make it all even. Then we'll take it over and just dump it out onto the buttered tin foil. Alright, now just... Why is my plate lopsided? Did I not tin foil it good enough? And there you have peanut brittle. Just let it chill and it'll be ready to eat. Yummy.